Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a sort of potato pancakes stuffed with cheese that are really delicious. And I'm also gonna show you another way you can make them with cheese and spinach. And I really enjoyed those too. So let's get started. It's very simple. I boil the potatoes in salted water, and then depending on the size of the potatoes, the cooking time may change. I cooked mine for about 35 minutes. I check if they're ready with a fork, and if it easily slips out, then they're cooked. I take them out, I peel them, and I mash them up with this potato ricer. Add in some salt if necessary, all-purpose flour, and some parmesan. Mix everything up until you get a nice dough. Now make the potato pancakes by rolling up a piece of mixture into your hand, then flatten it out just like these. Add some cheese of your choice. I used mozzarella cheese, and close them up with another potato disc. Make sure that all the edges are closed well. If you want to fill them up with some spinach, you can simply fry up some spinach in a pan with a little drizzle of olive oil, garlic, and salt for just a few minutes. Once they're ready, I remove the excess moisture and I place a little bit of spinach into the potato pancake. Close it up and voila! I fry the potato pancakes in a little bit of olive oil for just a few minutes each way until they're nice and golden. I use a paper towel to absorb the extra oil, and here we go, they're ready. Look how cheesy! Oh yeah! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. See you next time!